Deck lighting is an incredible way to liven up your outdoor space while keeping your guests safe. Installing low-voltage lighting can be a great project since electricians aren't required and it can typically be finished in an afternoon. Here are some tips to help conceal your wire runs and connectors on a wood or metal railing setup. Use a table saw or router to cut a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch channel down the center of your top rails. Within this channel, you can run wires from post to post while keeping them hidden. Mark the center of the top surface of each wooden post. Use a 1 inch or larger Forstner or spade bit to drill a 4 to 5 inch deep hole. Within this cavity, you can coil longer wires or hide connection hubs, splitters, and wire nuts. From the drilled out center of the top rail, drill a 1/2 inch opening in the side of the post to the center hole. Now you can feed your wires through from the top of your post and run them all the way through your railing section while keeping them hidden. For beginning or end posts near the house, drill a similar 3/8 inch hole on the outside surface and into the center hole. From there you can run the low voltage wire down the side of the post next to the house or hidden from sight. If there isn't a great place on your deck to conceal a wire that's running down the side of a post, you can use a piece of wire concealing wood trim to clean up the look of the post. Concealing low-voltage wiring on a new metal railing system is limitless, as the posts and rails are hollow, allowing for a lot of hideaway spots. Inside the post, inside the rails, wherever is easiest. Hiding wires, connectors, and transformers under your deck is easy. Connector hubs and splitters have built-in screw holes to keep the wiring up off the ground and prevent any damage. To help keep wires secure in place, you can purchase nylon cable ties, which have a screw mount to hold wires in place against your deck. Accent your deck's features and leave the clutter behind with low-voltage lighting from DecksDirect.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. My name is Jamie, and I'm part of the customer experience team here at DecksDirect. Feel free to call us with any questions about this video or any other deck questions you might have. We're always helping people build better decks.